Jai Mohanji, everyone.
Jai Mohanji.
So, Lata and I are here today to discuss about our upcoming retreat, which is called Be a New You, and that will happen in presence of Mohanji. So we were getting some questions, so we thought, okay, we'll sit together and like discuss the answers to these questions. And then if you have more questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. So, Lata, to begin with, this retreat is running parallel to Empowered 5. Why is it structured like that, if you can explain?
Sure. Thanks, Shreyashi, and Jai Mohanji to everyone. We hope that our conversation will help clarify a lot of questions, as Shreyashi had mentioned. Now, Mohanji is coming once again, the second time to USA this year. I mean, what a blessing.
Yeah.
So we took advantage of this, a beautiful, blessed opportunity. And we are also having the Prana Pratishta of Hanumanji and Shivalinga. So I hope many of you will be participating in that. So we wanted to really have the Empowered 5 program here in MCB USA. And so the Empowered 5 program is only for those people who have completed levels 1 to 4, and then they go into a deeper practice in the presence, in person, right? And of course in the presence of Mohanji. So that was what was our plan, and we're having that at the MCB. But then that'll leave out a whole bunch of people who haven't done the 1 to 4 empowered program. So we wanted to get everyone to MCB while Mohanji is here, so they can also attend a retreat with Mohanji. So that was a purpose of offering this retreat. It's called Be a New You. And Shreyashi will talk about how we came up with that name shortly. But the uniqueness of this program is even though it runs from 29th of July to the 2nd of August, it's a daily program. So people who wish to just sign up for 1 day or 2 days, they are welcome to do so. Of course, we'd love to have them for all the 5 days, but it's okay to even sign up for 1 or 2 days. And you will see if you go into the link, the web page, that it's designed, even the pricing is per day pricing.
Yeah. Yeah. I really love the flexibility of this program, Lata, because often it happens, maybe a person cannot get off, say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but Thursday, Friday, they can still attend, right? So even if they
Absolutely.
miss day 1, 2, 3, day 4 and 5, they can still attend and get all the benefits. That is usually what we desire when we go to a spiritual retreat.
Yeah. Absolutely. That was the purpose. And, again, leave and then summer vacation, people have children at home, they are, traveling and stuff. So just to give that flexibility. And also we are mindful of the costs involved, not that we're not forcing people to sign up for 5 day retreat, because again, that, and everybody else in the Mohanji family knows that we try our best to offer retreats or any programs at the bare minimum cost. But then with the new MCB and a lot of costs involved with the Prana Pratishta, we have to put up a price and a fee for the events. So we are mindful of, with keeping all that in mind, is how we came up with this daily program rather than a 5 day program. And again, every day Mohanji is going to be there to meet the participants, give a satsang, take the question and answers, and offer Shaktipat. Of course, Shaktipat, as we all know, is offered only once for one participant during the stay. So if so every day there will be some time allotted for that. And if a person is just attending day 1 and not coming for another day, they can very well go and take the satsang. They would also could have a brief interaction with the Mohanji while they stand in the line to take blessings of the things they buy from the divine shop. So all that opportunity is there. People who have not, who kind of, have taken Maitri and have done other processes, but have never had a chance to meet Mohanji in person. This is the chance, and we are blessed to have Mohanji the second time around this year.
Yeah, and I think it's really meaningful also because in the recent past, I've talked to a lot of people who have been undergoing through major life changes, especially in the US, with all kinds of, natural calamities happening in different parts of the US, the excess heat warning. So I kind of feel, this is my personal feeling, that Mohanji really wants to be here to help us as much as possible. He gives us all. And this is for me a great incentive to know that, okay, he'll be there all 5 days, and all 5 days, if I have questions, I can approach him after the satsang
Yeah.
and get that opportunity to talk to him, which I think for all our viewers also, who are, I know many people who haven't got a chance to meet Mohanji in person, I'm sure they would want to come and see him and ask their questions in their way, without any like other external pressure.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as I said, it's really unique, and people must understand that there are these two programs running parallelly in the same MCB. And then, visiting MCB itself is a big, big
Yeah.
thing. Those who have come here before know for sure this is such a energetic place, the
Yes.
Baba temple. And in fact, Sreyashi, I had the opportunity of just visiting there yesterday. And I must say that, I really was, I didn't want to come back because the temple and the space is like filled with the presence of Mohanji and the masters. And there's so many birds and animals visiting there. So the place is really, one has to step in there to really feel the energy of
True,
that
I
place.
totally agree. And I remember after the last Prana Pratishtha, which was Lord Ganesh, Sai Baba, and Bhagavan Dattatreya, I remember after that Prana Pratishtha, one day I was just sitting in the temple, and I don't know, my vision got stuck with Lord Ganesh, and I just prayed. I don't even know why. I just prayed, please, you are the remover of obstacles. Please help me, because I had a lot of blockages within me that I couldn't that I couldn't overcome on my own. But when I came back, I suddenly found the strength to overcome those. Like, I had a lot of money stuck, like around $2,000 stuck. And I was too afraid just to approach the people and ask them back. But after that trip, I really felt I had that inner strength and courage to go and ask for what was rightfully mine. And even though there were resistance and all, I got it all back, which was like a big deal for me. So I can, I definitely feel grateful to be even getting this opportunity in this current lifestyle that we lead, that there is a place like the MCV where we can go and just connect to ourselves, like the spirit within ourselves, and not be bothered about anything else in the world, and then come back fully rejuvenated to take on the world. And now coming to the next question, another thing that I'm very excited about, that I've told you personally also, is about the first, the all the processes that are taking place on each day, giving each day of the retreat their own unique flavor. And the one that I'm most excited about is the ancestral cleansing process. Would you elaborate on that? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. And before I get to that, Shreyashi, you touched upon a great point, which was why we named this retreat Be a New You. And as you said, you come in with whatever blockages, something bothering your mind. And then when you come here and spend a few days at this beautiful, serene space, I mean, 1,000 times energized with Mohanji himself being in that area. And again, with all the beautiful Prana Pratishtha that we had last time of Ganesha and Baba and Dattatreya. And now with this Hanumanji strength coming in and the Shivalinga there. I mean, I just don't even have words to talk how beautiful it's going to be,
Yeah.
So, and as you said, this time, this is for everyone. Please listen. Each day of the retreat, it's going to be unique. Each day has a theme, and each day will start with yoga in the morning. After that, we go for breakfast. After breakfast is the main session of the day, where Mohanji will come to the satsang hall, give his satsang, and then take Q&A from people. the participants. And then we have this people allowed to meet with Mohanji for a brief interaction or stand in line for Shaktipat. After that, every day, everyone gets to go and spend some time at the temple for the noon Aarati and just stay in the space, meditating themselves or just, just soaking in the energy of the space. Okay. After that is lunch and we do a conscious walk. And every afternoon, there is a very special process blessed by Mohanji. The first day will be the ancestral cleansing process, which you, Shreyashi, just asked me to talk about. And we know very well that this is the very first time that this process will be offered in the US. And around the world, I believe this could be the second time, because I know that our friend and guide and well-wisher and the one whom we love very much, Preeti Dugal, Mohanji Acharya, and MTM practitioner, was, she was the one who received this beautiful gift of this particular process from Mohanji astrally. And then I think it's been made, and this has been a very, very successful. Whoever has done this process have told us that it's been immensely effective, has taken the cleansed the participant at the deepest level, because there are, as Mohanji has said, that 1/3 of our karmic bondage or blockage is because of ancestral reasons, what do they say, lineage karma.
Lineage karma,
Lineage
that is
karma.
beyond our control also.
Right. We are born with it because of, over ages of ancestors. However, we can still deal with it. We can deal with it by letting go, honoring our ancestors and getting into that process of cleansing. So we are going to, going to offer that on the very first day. So people, please try to take advantage of this and just join that process. We are, extremely humble, extremely happy, and extremely gratitude to Mohanji for allowing us to offer this unique process to all our participants. And similarly, we are going to have other processes like the forgiveness process, the soul mirror process, which is so powerful. Like I think Shreyashi, we did it last time when we were at the retreat, and it's just uniquely designed to. People, I mean, we are not just talking from our own experience. We are talking from what people have told us and felt and experienced.
True.
And then we have the abundance process as well.
Yeah, that is amazing. The abundance process is so amazing. And again, I don't think people get a chance to experience this frequently, because they are offered maybe once in 2 years like that. As far as I have seen these processes, the ancestral, I myself have never experienced before. And the one person who has experienced, she was telling me like within 2 weeks of going through the process, she was seeing remarkable shifts in her life. And she was like, I didn't even know it was ancestral karma. Only so this is Mohanji's grace that he made sure I attended the process, and that way, because those things were beyond my control. And Mohanji does what he does best. He removed things, and now there's a complete new shift, of course, for the positive in her life. So
So one more thing, if I may add, because most of these processes we get to join, but from an online platform, a virtual platform, which I'm not denying the effectiveness of it at all. But, to get it direct while Mohanji is physically
present.
And we've just had, Hanumanji Prana Pratishtha and Shivalinga Prana Pratishtha itself is a huge energy transference, right? Literally, I mean, the gods are coming alive. So I guess with all these happening, I would think that one shouldn't miss the opportunity. It is possible.
Especially getting Shaktipat after the Prana Pratishtha. It was a huge deal for me again last time after the Sai Baba Prana Pratishtha. The Shaktipat that Mohanji gave me, oh my God, I can't even begin to explain. Like internally also, earlier I was used to external miracles by Mohanji, but internally, so many things shifted. My own sadhana become so deeper
Yeah.
whenever I sit for Kriya or anything. So yeah, I think the things Mohanji does, most of us, we can't even comprehend with our brain.
Right.
But definitely it is a huge opportunity, I feel, is for everyone. And that's why we have kept the program flexible so that everyone, according to their convenience, can come and soak in to the energy.
And in addition to the retreat and the Prana Pratishtha, we are also having the karma busting homa, the Maha
Homa,
Homa,
yeah. Mhm.
on Saturday, and that again takes care of cleansing the karmic bonded
Immense cleansing.
blockages and bondages of the past life karma, the current karma that one has acquired up until now, so. And so there is definitely a possibility of a new you when you
Yeah.
attend these programs and come out. And I mean, time and again, people have experienced it and told us that it's definitely effective. So I guess what we request.
Yeah, I would say it's more than effective. For me, every Mohanji retreat has been phenomenal. I've
Right.
never come back the same person I went in as.
True.
So yeah, I guess that answers most of the questions. So I would request people, if you have more questions, please get in touch with us. You can email at us@mohanji.org, or you can message me or Lata, or call any one of us from the country team. Lata, would you like to add anything more?
Yeah, so as far as logistics are concerned, you all know that the MCB USA is located in Duxbur, Virginia. It's like about an hour to North Carolina. It's also almost in the North Carolina border of Virginia. And the closest, the most convenient airport seems to be Charlotte. On the other side is Roanoke, which is a smaller airport, and there's also Greensboro. So you can check these three airports to see if you can, which is the most convenient travel for you. Driving would be good if it's possible for you to do, because then you have a car with you when you're there, because there is really nothing that we can say is close by.
Yeah.
This time we were, it was made possible for us to block a few rooms at the two hotels nearby. If I say nearby, it's about 20 minutes away, at a town called Hillsville. And the hotels are Super 8 and Red Roof Inn. These are the two hotels that are, would take our participants' bookings at a rate of about $70 or $75 per room.
Nice.
Okay, and then I think our volunteers are also planning on transportation. So if you are registering for the program, please reach out and we'll send you the form so you can write down. There are shuttles being organized to pick up people from Charlotte Airport at 5 p.m. every day, one shuttle a day. And then also daily morning, evening shuttles to and from the hotel
Hotels
for
also.
everybody staying there. So this kind of arrangement is being made this time. And again, everything is new for us because we're just trying out many things. Each retreat, we have been able to offer one additional, comfort or, benefit for the participant. For the retreat participants, we'll be offering breakfast and lunch at the MCB. So yeah, so this is what is being planned so far. So you all please make an effort.
So this is amazing that there's a shuttle this time which will take to and fro from the hotel. A lot of people like me who don't drive, I think it'll be very convenient for them. So yeah, I think again, it's very convenient and we are all grateful for that.
Right. Yeah, again, any other questions that we haven't covered, please reach out to us anytime. Just feel free.
Exactly. Okay, guys. Hope we see most of you in the retreat and during Prana Pratishtha when Mohanji is there.
Yeah,
Okay.
Homa, Prana Pratishtha, and the retreat. So 7 days, please. You can afford to block those 7 days of your year.
Yeah.
Come and be with us. Enjoy MCB and be with Mohanji. Okay. Bye-bye.
And go back being a new you.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you,
Jai
Lata.
Mohanji.
Jai Mohanji.